Hello and welcome back to the Beer Dog Reviews. As always, I'm Chris and today we've got a beer from Lagunitas for you, or Lagunitas, however you want to say it. And it is their Lagunitas IPA. It's a 355ml bottle coming in at 6.2%. Picked this one up at Asda. Cost me £2 I think, but it's part of their 4 for £6 at the moment. There's the bottle cap. Nice simple design on the cap and the label. Let's have a little look. So, the Lagunitas Brewing Company out of California. As with most American breweries, all you get is the very basic, just really the ingredients. Got the standard "if you're a car don't get pregnant" on the bottle. That's pretty much it. So, we'll have a look, see what it's like. Little bit of smoke on the bottle opening. Get it out into a glass. There we go. So, what have we got? Got a rich, deep gold, almost an amber coloured beer. Just under 2 fingers of nice clean white head there. Excellent levels of carbonation there, really strong. Quite fast moving carbonation there. Perfectly clear beer. Absolute perfect clarity on that one. Very hoppy on the aroma. There's piney notes in there. And orange. Orange peel and fleshy orange as well. It's not drowning out that pine aroma either, which is lovely. Real crisp aroma. Smells wonderful. Let's have a look at the taste. Whoa. Good levels of bitterness. The pine and the citrus is very light on the front of the palate there. Nice biscuity malt right in the middle. And a very good strong bitterness on the back end. Very traditional for a West Coast. Obviously, with the majority of West Coast IPAs, you do get that earthy quality, herbal quality, more piney and herbal than you do the juicy fruity flavour. And you're definitely getting that on this one. Absolutely lovely. That carbonation really opens up the flavour, forces it round the mouth. Not too thick a beer, but also not too thin bodied either. Just right for a beer of this style, I think. Real strong bitterness. I love that. Not one you can have as a session beer, but it is very drinkable. So, there it is, that's Lagunitas IPA. Hoppy ale, savour of a moment as the raging hop character engages the imperial qualities of the malt foundation in mortal combat on the battlefield of your palate. Well, there you have it. It's hoppy, it's malty, it's bitter. Very balanced. There's a real crispness to it. A very nice beer. Then, cheers to you all. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe down there. Of course, links to my Twitter, Instagram and Facebook down in the description box below. And I'll see you all again next time. Happy drinking.